639 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 10 September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 10 September 2020, 436 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 22,890. Total active cases in the state stands at 5,030. Total recovered cases stands at 17,592. Total 268 deaths are reported till 10 September 2020. 65 years male from Nuvem with comorbid conditions expired on 9 September. 48 years male from Margao brought dead on 8 September at South Goa District Hospital, later tested positive. 53 years female from Verna with comorbid conditions brought dead on 9 September at South Goa District Hospital, later tested positive. 63 years female from Pernam admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 6 September. 45 years male from Merces and 60 years male from Ponda admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 10 September. Out of 2,666 samples tested, 1,440 are negative, 639 are positive, 485 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation was 193. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 50 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 10 September 2020. Breakup of total 5,050 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Picholim 196, CSC Sakare 289, CSC Pernam 210, CSC Valpai 180, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 186, USC Panji 260, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 132, PSC Petki 140, PSC Kandolem 93, PSC Kansarvanam 95, PSC Korwaye 117, PSC Kolem 125, PSC Chimbal 157, PSC Shiolem 133, PSC Porvorim 307, PSC Mayam 84, Travelers by Road Flight Train 7. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 82, CSC Kankana 101, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 427, USC Vasco 272, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 69, PSC Kansavlim 120, PSC Chenchenem 39, PSC Kortalim 144, PSC Kurtorim 67, PSC Lutolim 92, PSC Marsam 70, PSC Kapam 107, PSC Sangam 75, PSC Shiroda 77, PSC Darbandara 104, PSC Ponda 388, PSC Navelim 85. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 10 September 2020 are as follows. District North, total capacity 545, current vacancy 162. District South, total capacity 1006, current vacancy 520. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.